Okay, now we will briefly go through all the 10 forms of the verbs. Okay. Although there are actually about 15 forms of the verbs. Okay. But in the Quran there are only 10 forms that occur. Okay, maybe there's one more form 12, okay, but that's just one verb. I will explain what form means. Okay, what form means. Before that, I will just tell you what the numbers here mean. You see form 1, what's the number there? 667. Nampak tak? 667. Form number 1. This is the old paper. 667, right? Oh, you haven't got the new one. Yeah. I have given you the new one just now. Tak? Okay. One, two, three, four. New one. Okay, the new one is just for you to refer to the number saja. You can use your old one actually. Okay. So the new one you just share just to refer to the numbers. Can you see the numbers for form 1? 667. Ada? I give you already. Okay. 667, it means this verb form happens 667 times in the Quran. Okay, which is 45% of the time. 45% of all verbs is form number 1. That means you have to master form number 1. Okay? Yeah, all across. Okay? Form number 2 is occurs 172 times, which is 12%. Okay, so that is the third most frequent verb form. The second most frequent verb form is form number 4, which occurs 18% of the all verbs, which is equal to 265 times. Okay, why is this important? This is important so that you know which verbs to refer to. Okay, these are the 3 verb forms that always occur in the Quran. Okay, so for example, if you look at form 9, how many times in the Quran? Twice again, 2 times. So you don't really need to hafal or whatever. You just need to refer to it whenever it happens. So if you were to count 45% plus 12 plus 4 plus 18%, which is the first 4 verb forms, you will end up with 80% or 79%. Dia macam 80-20 gitu lah. So the first 4 verb forms is the 80% of the verb forms that happen in the Quran. So you can focus on that. Okay, the rest happens also, but it's not that frequent. For the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the most frequent would be form number 8. Form number 8 and form number 10. Okay, so you have okay, the highlight. Can you just write the meanings? Do you have the meanings? Have I given you the meanings? No, Okay, meaning number 2. Number 2, form 2, there's a box beside it. You just write the meaning is makan. 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 Which means the sabdu means makan. Okay. Number 3, saling. Saling. Okay. Number 4, also makan. Number 5, buat diri something. Okay, make self something. Number 6, saling also. Number 7, ter. Number 8, ter. Number 9, menjadi dot. Okay, referring to warna and kecacatan. Okay. Number 10, yes, warna kecacatan. Number 10 is minta or no meaning. Minta or no meaning. Okay. What's the affix for form 10? Alif sinta, right? Okay, that alif sinta sometimes means minta. That alif sinta sometimes doesn't mean anything. So when you have something like istighfar, what's the meaning of istighfar? Seek forgiveness, kan? So this one is minta, seek, and then this one is forgive. So seek forgiveness, right? So but sometimes this alif sinta doesn't really mean seek. So that's why I put an X here. Okay, so these are possible connotations only. It doesn't work all the time. Okay, it doesn't work all the time. This is just to give you confidence. I know the meaning of these affixes. Okay, but it doesn't work all the time. This is just to give you some sort of, okay, Arabic language is a standard language, structured. Okay, but it doesn't work all the time because language evolves, and so it is not really easy to standardize everything. But at least you have a grip that, okay, the fundamentals are there. Okay, so whatever you highlighted in column number 1, the sabdu, the alif, the nun, the ta, okay, the probable meaning is what you have written inside that. Okay, we will expand more on that. Next week. Okay, what I want you to do is, you have done the first one, right? The first row, which is alima something, right? Is it alima, right? Now I want you to do as much as possible. Okay, you just apply the alima example to all the 10 forms. Okay, starting from the madi until the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until the fifth column. Any questions?